Hello dear friends and the viewers. Welcome to our online classes. Today's subject is science. We are going to discuss about Unit 2 Animal World Chapter 3 Animals and their eating habits. So dear students, let us come to the topic. Dear students, this is our chapter 3 Animals and their eating habits. First, I want to know, what do you like to eat? Your answer should be either veg or non-veg. That means for human beings, some are vegetarians and some are non-vegetarians. Like this, animals also eat different types of food. Some animals eat plant products. Some animals eat flesh of other animals. Some animals eat plants with flesh of other animals, and some animals eat dead animals. So dear friends, according to their eating food, there are 4 types animals. One is herbivorous, second one is carnivorous, third omnivorous, and fourth scavengers. First, we know why do we need food. We need food as it gives us energy to live, grow and work. Dear students, now we know what are herbivorous animals. Herbivorous are animals whose primary food source is plant-based. That means they eat only plant-based products like grass, different types of cereals, pulses, etc. Those animals eat only plant and their parts. Example: deer, horse, camel, cow, goat, etc. And second one is what are carnivorous animals. That means carnivorous animals are which eat mostly meat or the flesh of other animals. Example like tiger, lion, wolf, and its other. What is the other name of carnivorous? The other name of carnivorous is predators, and the animals they kill are called prey. That means जो एनिमल को वो किल करते हैं उसको प्रे बोलते हैं. एंड थर्ड वन इज ओमनिवरस. ओमनिवरस मीन्स इन उड़िया सर्वभोजी like us. Human beings also omnivorous. First we know what are omnivorous. An omnivore is an animal that has the ability to eat and survive on both plant and animal matter. These animals eat both plant as well as the flesh of other animals like bear, crow, cat, dog, human beings, etc. Next, we discuss about scavengers. That means these animals also omnivorous, but they eat only dead and decaying food of dead and decaying food of other animals. That means they in Odia scavenger mrutopojibi. What are scavengers animals? Scavengers are animals that survive on dead and decaying food. They eat the flesh of dead animals. Example: jackals, shark, eagles, etc. Next, this is a brain teaser. Which fish are scavengers? You remember this? This fish name is catfish. This fish name is catfish. And next, how animals eat? Each animal have different ways to eat their food. Some chew their food and some swallow. And according to their different types of ways to eat, first we know about gnawing the food. That means animals like rabbits and squirrels eat the hard parts of a plant like fruits and nuts. This is why they have long, flat and sharp front teeth. These help them to bite and chew their food. This is called gnawing of food. That means, what do you mean by gnawing food? Some animals like rabbits and squirrels eat the hard parts of a plant like fruits and nuts with the help of their long, flat and sharp front teeth. This is called gnawing food. What do you mean by Next, what do you mean by chewing the cud? Animals like cows and buffaloes first swallow their food and then they bring it back into their mouth and chew it for hours. This is called chewing the cud. You see, cows swallow their food and then back into their mouth. This process is called chewing the cud. Next, what do we mean by swallowing food and which? Animals like snake, frog do not have teeth to chew their food. They swallow their food whole. This is called swallowing food. What do we mean by sucking the food? Some animals like butterflies and mosquitoes take in liquid food. Do you know mosquitoes take liquid food, blood from human beings and other animals? This is called sucking the food. They have a long, hollow tube-like structure in their mouth to sucking the liquid food into their body. What is lapping? Some animals like dog and cats also drink liquid food like milk, water. They use their tongue to lap of milk or water. This method of taking liquid into their body is called lapping. Next, what do you mean by tearing or chewing the food? Some animals like tiger, lion and fox tear flesh with the help of their sharp, pointed and curved front teeth. This process is called chewing or tearing the food. Next, food chain. Next, food chain. First, we know what do we mean by food chain. Food chain means a series of organisms each dependent on the next as a series of food. That means food chain gives us information about food habits or a series of organisms interrelated in their feelings habits, in their eating habits. Like plant, it's deer, it's lion, it's vultures. There are 4 types of food chain. First one is plants, primary food chain, herbivorous secondary, carnivorous third and scavengers fourth. So dear students, this is the chapter about animals and their eating habits. Now we discuss check in progress. First, write true or false. Check and proceed. Write true or false. Plant eating animals are known as herbivores. True or false? Yes. Plant eating animals are known as herbivorous. Next, wolf is a flesh eating animal. Yes, wolf is a flesh eating animals. Next, omnivores survive on dead and decaying food. No, scavengers are survive on dead and decaying food. Scavengers are animals that eat both plants as well as the flesh of other animals. No, scavengers are animals that eat flesh of dead and decaying animals. Jackal is a scavengers? No, jackal is a omnivorous. And next, so dear students, I also prepared some homework for you. Number 1, what is the difference between herbivorous and carnivorous? I think you all now able to do this question answer. And second question, what is the difference between omnivorous and scavengers? And next, activity 3.1. This table would you do in your copy. And number 4, activity 3.1. List the ways or methods of eating for the following animals. That means this is the animal's name and this is their food name. You know how about way method of eating. You should write this in your copy. And wait, next class we will discuss exercise of this chapter. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.